Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we are Thursday, October 9, and we made 1k on each account, so 5k. Now, here, we're still in the eval phase, so it doesn't really matter, but today we won finally. And yeah, so we need 2 more good trades so we can pass the account. So yeah, hopefully by next week we should have them. Now, as we know, tomorrow we have prelim, so we'll see if we can get a trade before 10 or if we're just gonna take an L tomorrow. We'll see. And then we have bank holiday Monday, right? So yeah, by next week we should have the account, hopefully before Friday, so we can start getting the buffer on the pros account and start getting payouts, right? But like I said, we're just going with the flow, so we'll see. So yeah, we need $2,000 more, so 2 winning trades in a row. So let's start the recap today. Replay. So coming to market today, I've seen that yesterday, so what time? 9 a.m. From 9 a.m. till the Asia session, we've just been pushing. I think we created all-time high, yeah. So now we have a bunch of unfilled fair value gaps. So most likely price is gonna come at some point, come fill them, and then go higher, right? But to come fill them, it needs to go down. So as of right now, I am bearish. Alright, then we have previous day high, and yeah. Now, what can we see on the hourly time frame? Well, we have these gaps right there, these gaps right there. What else? We had a bearish fair value gap that got filled, and we are respecting it. Perfect. This bullish one, we're not respecting. Alright. So yeah, most likely we're just gonna come down and then at some point go up. 15-minute, do I see anything? Not really. And now I'll show you guys why it's important to mark sell side, but as of right now, let's just leave it like that. 5-minute, 1 minute. So select bar. Let's wait for market open. Market open, bang, we went straight to Asia low, swept Asia low, and closed above. Perfect. Let's keep on going. Next candle, 933, we go below it and we close below it. Alright, and we create a 1 minute fair value gap. Now remember, on the higher time frame, what I was thinking, well, I was thinking bearish. So yeah, let's keep on going. Now, 935, we came and swept London low. So now, we don't know yet. Are we going to displace higher or lower? So we don't know yet. So for example, if price came into this fair value gap, I wouldn't take it. Alright, now we displace lower. So I know that I'm looking for short and it's aligned with my context. Everything is making sense, right? Now, one thing is, once we don't have any liquidity zones or any zones that we marked up. So for example, here we have this zone, we have this zone. Now we don't have anything below, right? So now we go on the 5-minute to 15-minute. We look, do we have any sell side, obvious sell side? So for example, we have this one right there. What else? We have this one right there. We just mark them, see if we get any reaction. We have this one right there. On the 15-minute, this is how it's looking like. This one we can remove since we have this session. Perfect. Let's go back. So now what can I see? Although I am looking for shorts, 942, we wicked below, but the body closed above, right? So this fair value gap, I can still mark it, but I'm not sure that it's gonna work, so we have to wait. Okay. Then later on, yes, it would have worked, but technically if your stop loss is right there, I mean, maybe you could have gotten a 1-to-1. Yeah, around a 1-to-1. Anyway, I didn't take this. I was waiting. Now if we display slower, confirming that this zone is no longer valid, then yeah, I would look for shorts. Anyway, let's remove this. And even London low, we can remove it. But just keep it in mind, you know. Now, what can I see? Well, we're creating bullish fair value gaps, right? But now there's one thing. On like the context, what's the context? Well, we're still looking for shorts. Now let's go on the hourly real quick. For our, okay, hourly. $15-minute. What can I see here? Well, obviously, so we have the hourly and then we adjust it on the 15-minute. We have this right there. Let's remove this for now. So most likely price is gonna come at some point, fill this gap, and we have a sell side right there, right? Perfect. So I am still looking for shorts. And this line now, I will remove and just mark this before we had the move up as sell side. Perfect, fast forward. Now price came into this fair value gap, but I wasn't willing to take it because I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, it came and then it dropped. We displaced lower a lot, that I'm still very, very sure that we're still gonna go even lower, right? With this move right there. So from there, I'm still waiting. We created another 1 minute right there. And from here, if price would come into this, I would take it. Now, like I said, remember London right there. Now, technically, when there's fair value gap like that, where's my stop loss? Technically, it should be right there, right? Since we have London low right there, what did I do? Well, it was accurate to just take 12.425. Not only it does make sense because the sell side is right there, doesn't matter. Not only the higher context on the higher time frame is we're gonna go down, and with this push, it's like it confirmed to me that we're gonna go down, right? Anyway, from here, my stop loss was just above London highs and 50 ticks for 100 ticks. Now this could have been an L easily, honestly, because technically my stop loss should be above, but I was pretty confident that we wouldn't come back to above London highs, London low, sorry. And now if you guys would trade inverse or something, then there's probably something in there, but I don't trade that. 953 was my entry. Bang, short. 1, 2, 3. 3 minutes later, price comes exactly to this sell side that I marked, and then start reversing. Let's see what price does next. And then this is my full TP for 1K on each account. Then price should just start chopping around. So beautiful. So yeah, whether your sell side is here, doesn't matter. But in this general area, you know. So yeah, pretty easy today. For this week specifically, Monday was good, if I remember right. Tuesday, let me just go check. One, two, three. Yeah, if I remember right, Monday was good. Tuesday, the setup just didn't play out. Wednesday was good, but I placed my stop loss wrongly, so I got stopped out. Then I took another trade, won, so I was break even. And then today, first actual win. So not bad for the week. So yeah, that was the recap for today. Just short and simple. If you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.